show you how you can use the Bugs theme to create a new React Native application. So I already installed Expo. I have my terminal here, and I'm going to open my editor. I'm going to make a new folder for this new application. I'm gonna name it Bugs app, and in here I'll just add pieces of the package that you guys will download. So I have it in here. You guys can see you'll get the documentation. This is the package, and then a preview app. This basically has all the screens that you guys see that are designed in there. So it's actually using this package in here. So let's just get this part, basically the React Native preview piece, and I made a test in here. Basically has just that part, and I'm going to remove, for example, these, so you can see. Let's see us starting the application that you might have. Let's see. I'll get this one. Okay, and in the folder we have some images. These are the logos, and I'll show you what these screens contain. I basically took them from the preview in here, so I took a few of them just to show you guys, so I don't have to write it, and then you guys will see how it works. So once you have your structure like this, you can just take our package and put it in your root directory. And now if we go and open a folder, Visual Studio, you should see that the package is actually directing to our React Native Bugs module in here. So package JSON, and then we have in the app.js we have this structure, which is in the preview app. I just took out most of the screens that I did not need for this test. We do need the drawer, we need the navigation, and the fonts to be loading. So that's all that I left in there. This is the landing screen. It basically takes what it needs from the Bugs module, and then we have navigation in a very simple view in here, and some of the styles. And then the login is like this. You can probably see this, so I won't go very deep into them. Now the next step is to just write yarn install, and it should go on. And okay, everything is installed now. So for the next command, yarn start, it should start the packager. It's very simple, and you should see a QR code right when it ends. It takes a little time at first. There it is. So basically you could use this to scan with your Expo app on your mobile phone, scan it, and then it should work on your phone directly, which is pretty nice. Then on Expo, you just open an existing project. I already have this one selected, so I'll open it. You should try and check everything, but let's see if it's all right. Okay, seems to be fine. I'll just open a simulator. I think I already have it here, and it's building the JavaScript bundle. Okay, it finished. Um, Now this is the landing page. You can see I have on the screen in here I have some small header that you guys can use, and this button that does the view screens, and it just opens the drawer, um, and you can see in here if you click it opens the drawer, and these are some of the screens. I just picked the login one and the dashboard. So that's basically it. Let me know if you guys have any other questions in the comments, and I'll answer them at any time. And also in the documentation, when you open it, you also have a chat in there, so I'm available at any time with questions if you have problems implementing it.